Robin Thicke set out to make history when she danced provocatively to his song Blurred Lines. It appears her goal to get people talking was a record-smashing success. In fact, her performance sparked debate and broke Beyonce's Super Bowl mark for the most tweets per minute. And wedding bells will soon be ringing for talk show host Katie Couric. A spokesman confirmed she is engaged. People magazine reports that her boyfriend, John Molnar, popped the question over the holiday weekend. The couple's been dating for nearly 2 years. Couric was previously married to Jay Moynihan. He died from colon cancer back in 1998. Well, turning now to weather. Welcome September, my birthday month, so one of my favorite months. But I also am a little surprised that it's so hot out there.
Yeah, well, we've been talking about this. You know, this time of year, we could still get very, very hot. Labor Day weekend, about 13 years ago, we set our all-time record high.
Wow.
Yeah, so September is not necessarily a
The
time
fall month,
where we cool down here. In fact, we had a weekend a few years ago where we went well above 100 degrees deep into September. So we're not done with the triple-digit heat, and the coming days are not going to be any different. However, we do have at least a chance for some rain in the forecast, and it looks like our chances are going to go up. But you're going to have to be patient for those rain chances to turn more significant. The showers and storms have been mainly isolated way down in the valley to the southwest of Corpus Christi, but there's more activity getting going here along a stationary front that is just to the north.